Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change sound on Keypress Volume Google Keyboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Preferences option and tap on it. Scroll down, find the Volume on Keypress option, and tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, adjust the volume on Keypress to your comfort level, then tap OK to change it instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.